What is the difference between WebHost Manager, WHM, and cPanel? Now let's learn what the difference is between WHM and cPanel. WHM is a reseller's control panel. It is what reseller customers use to manage all the hosting accounts in their reseller plan. cPanel, on the other hand, is the end user's control panel. It is what the reseller's customers use to manage their individual hosting accounts. We are currently logged into WHM, so let's go take a look at a list of hosting accounts in this reseller plan. Click the Account Information link. Then click the List Accounts link. This is a list of accounts in this WHM's reseller plan. Once again, each of these accounts have their own individual cPanel, and we can log into their cPanel by clicking the corresponding link. Let's log into the cPanel for mydomain.com. That's it. As you can see here, we're now in the cPanel control panel for the mydomain.com hosting account. Resellers have the ability to log into their customers' cPanel control panels without their username or password. This can be useful in helping customers learn how to use their cPanel. Okay, now let's close this window and return to WHM. Welcome back to WHM WebHost Manager. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know the difference between cPanel, End User's Control Panel, and WHM, Reseller's Control Panel.